Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can download the Microsoft Teams application to use it on your Windows computer. For example, if you'd like to communicate with your friends and contacts via Microsoft Teams. So let us get started. So what you want to do, guys, is access your a Microsoft Teams account. For example, you may do that through the web browser or web application or version on microsoftteams.live.com, for example. Log into your Microsoft account. But if you'd like to install it on your device, for example, in your Windows 10 or Windows 11, guys, all you need to do is make sure that you click into these three dots in the top right corner, and from that menu select Get the Desktop app. Or if you'd like to install it on a mobile, select this feature here, Get the Mobile app. Let me go with this button here, Get the Desktop app. That is going to redirect you to the homepage of Microsoft so that you may download Microsoft Teams for your Windows computer, for example, by clicking to this button. And after that, the installation will launch. It shouldn't take Teams more than a couple of seconds actually to install the application on your device. And once that's done, guys, it will be launched on your device automatically so that you may log into your Microsoft account and use all chat features here on Microsoft Teams through the desktop application, as you can see. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.